Hey everyone, if you're new to the channel, my name is Gerard. I make tutorial videos primarily on taxation. So in this video, I'm going to answer one of the common questions asked in this channel, which is how to tax crypto gains here in the Philippines. Now before I begin, disclaimer first that this video circles around individual income taxpayers, but some may still be applicable to corporate taxpayers. And to emphasize, this is not investment advice. Now, there are a lot of content out there explaining what cryptocurrencies are, but in this video, I'll be using the definition of Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. Cryptocurrency falls under the category of virtual currency, or VC for short, made by a community of online users which are kept in electronic wallets. A cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that is secured by cryptography, which many are based on blockchain technology. In contrast to traditional currency, where it is issued and regulated by a central authority, cryptocurrency are somewhat independent of government interference and control. Some of the popular cryptocurrencies are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, Solana, Cardano, Dogecoin, and others. Value from cryptocurrency are generated from community involvement, and gains generally happen if the demand is higher than the supply. So as further acceptance of this technology arises, demand may also rise. Gain may arise from long or short-term speculation on its volatility, like in the practice of trading crypto. In some instances, income or gain from cryptocurrencies are also becoming more popular in play-to-earn schemes such as in Axie Infinity. As of recording this video, there are no revenue issuances categorically stating how income or gain from cryptocurrencies are to be taxed. What is currently in effect is that the gain or income from cryptocurrencies would form part of the gross income of the taxpayer subject to regular income tax rate. In one of my videos, I mentioned that elements of income tax in the Philippines are: there must be a gain or profit, that the gain or profit is realized or received actually or constructively. Lastly, it is not exempted by law or treaty from income tax. So let's say, for example, you had realized gain from trading Cardano. The word realized means that the gain is converted into legal tender. Such gain shall be taxable using the income tax table. Now to emphasize, if the taxpayer has a registered business engaged in buying or selling crypto assets for gain, then it shall be possible to be taxed using the 8% optional income tax rate. In contrast, in the US, cryptocurrencies are treated as property. So if the same tax treatment is applied here in the Philippines, cryptocurrencies shall be under the ruling of capital assets. If you are interested in that topic, you can check out this video right here where I discuss gains from dealings in properties and capital assets. Perhaps we'll have a more definitive tax treatment in the future as the use of cryptocurrencies become more prevalent. It's also notable that the Internet Transaction Act is coming up, so it may prompt some lawmakers to notice cryptocurrencies even more. And that's it. So if you found this video very helpful, you might want to watch how cryptocurrency gains are taxed in play-to-earn games. And make sure to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell because it helps me create more videos like this. So this is Gerard. Have a great day.